What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see today we gonna be in John John. Y'all see by the thumbnail. Y'all see what we got going on. About to get this thing pulled out. Gonna put the GoPros in it. We're gonna go get some racing gas for the Cutlass, and we'll probably put a little bit in here cause I ain't had nothing in it. So y'all know we gotta turn CO2 on. Cause I remember last time I was out there on the highway, I ain't have it on. We making 3 pounds of boost, and man, I got caught slipping. I took him out, but still. Y'all know I ain't getting caught slipping like that again. So, we about to get this thing moved out, put all my equipment in, then I'm gonna set the GoPro up in the car so we can get that in-car footage and all that, and I can holler at y'all about everything else. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. Just grabbed the racing gas. We got the 2 Renegade twins in the back. They all full, man, ready to go. And man, I think I'm finna go ahead and pull up on Michael Myers, man. I'm finna pull up on Cuzzo. I'm finna pull up on. I saw his last video. Man. I got to make a trip. It's John Jones' second trip to him now. I'm finna make a trip to him. Why he ain't did it? See, Cuzzo just dream of doing stuff like that. See, when he come to my house, y'all gonna see his car come on a trailer. He dream of driving to pulling Michael Myers up in my driveway without a trailer. But he keep dreaming, Cuzzo. And the Ray car, I'm telling y'all, I'm finna pull up on him. Right now. Then what we gonna do? We're gonna pull up on Michael Myers. So I see y'all when I get there. Look at him now. Hey, look. I told him, look, this Michael Myers last movie. He ain't coming back from there. I told him I'm gonna end the career, man. I'm gonna do something unthinkable to him now.
He got his clothes on though.
I'm gonna do something. Look, I told him on the GoPro, I said, you just dream of doing stuff like that. You might well enjoy this car. When you come to my house, he gonna be on the trailer. He gonna be on the trailer. Y'all ain't gonna see him drive in the driveway like this now, I'm telling you.
Hey, man, y'all don't believe that, man.
He gonna be on the trailer.
Y'all don't believe that. Hey, when I put the rims on there, I'm driving everywhere.
Hey, man. Y'all hearing now? Hold on, what you said now?
I said when I put them 24 rims on there, I'm gonna drive it everywhere.
So you gonna pull up to the house?
Pull up to the house.
From here?
From here.
You gotta put your GoPro in the car and film that. Cause look, we ain't unloading on the trailer all down the street, y'all. And then he drove to the house. So hey man, y'all just stay tuned in, man. Alright, y'all, we checking in. Y'all see I done took both of these fenders off. Shit, Cuzzo he took the front nose off. I took both of the fenders off though.
Hey, man.
Nah, man, we ain't been out here working, man. Y'all see it on his vlog. He got this off. I got all the bolts out, but when we came down the one right there where them leaves at, I said, hey, it's on you now, cuz I ain't sticking my hand down there.
That bad boy say he's scared Spider-Man might pop out.
That boy for real, brand recluse. I said, y'all know I don't fool with no spiders. I said, boy, it's on you now, cuz I got all these right here. But nah, he shit, got the thing disassembled, ready to go. Y'all know how we do. We pull it up on each other, help each other out. So yeah, man, we just out here working, enjoying the day. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all. So we back from Cuzzo house. Got my 10 gallons of gas. I'm gonna pour all 10 in the Cutlass. Mr. Jones don't need it. I ain't gonna be turning him up. I ain't gonna be turning him up like that no time soon. So he don't need no octane. The Cutlass really don't need it. I just like having cologne. You know when you put your cologne on and you smell good, you just put that's what I like to have in the Cutlass. And that blower, man, them roots blower, I know they make compression. They'll raise the compression. I don't know, it's a peace of mind for me. It's a peace of mind, that's all. But man, like I said, it was a good day at Cuzzo house. Real good day. I don't know if y'all caught the live stream the other day. We was over there, man, we going in, having a good time. We got the race coming up. Man, I'm gonna put Michael Myers right here. Right here, that's where I'm gonna put him. Right here, I hope you look at this. Cuzzo, I hope you see this clip. I hope you get real familiar with this. But like I said, man, whatever company make Michael Myers movie, they ain't gonna make them no more. They gonna, hey, that's gonna be it. It's gonna be all gone. Ain't gonna be no more Michael Myers ever. It's gonna be history. You might read about him in history books. That's it. He's just gonna be a folk tale. That's what it is. He gonna be a folk tale. You know, folk tale ain't real. It's just a story. That's all he gonna be, a folk tale. He ain't never existed. That's what's gonna happen with Michael Myers. So yeah, man, y'all see our live stream, man. We're going in talking about all that with the cars and all that. What we're gonna do right here with R&B, and then what we're gonna do with Mr. Jones and how we're gonna do with Dolo. Then meat. I might have a temporary surprise. Y'all I got some stuff cooking. You never know what I got up my sleeve. Y'all just stay tuned for meats though. I might have a temporary surprise. I really might. I might have a temporary surprise. That's all I can say. Just remember what I said. You saw this vlog, you're gonna know what's going on. But that's it. But yeah, y'all, I'm finna go put everything up, getting the house sun going there. I got to get to work. I'm hitting the track tomorrow, even though y'all seeing this late, 2 days late. By the time y'all seeing this, I already hit the track. I went to House of Hook, so I got to get ready to hit House of Hook. Mike Hill event tomorrow. Get it in, see some good racing, catch some good footage, and that's it. So I appreciate y'all for tuning in every day. I'll catch y'all later. I'm out.